Okay. So what's going on? Y'all are separated, or what's the deal?
We have filed for divorce.
Okay.
We're living in the same house. It's hell on earth, as you can imagine.
Okay.
But anyway, woke up this morning. We have travel plans to leave. And he's insisting that I don't go.
Okay.
And then I have my keys. He moves me out of the way, starts trying to unload my car. Tells me he owns the car, he owns the rights to it. Just got super aggressive, and that's when I called immediately, because he's been physical before, and I'm just not doing that.
So are you just wanting to leave, or is he supposed to be going with you?
Yeah, we're supposed to be going with our kids.
Okay. All right.
So I don't know that's what I was asking dispatch, like what y'all can do if there's even, but of course now he's inside acting.
I mean, I don't know what it is that you want us to do. I mean, if y'all have filed for divorce and y'all are going on a vacation, other than telling him he needs to calm down, I don't personally recommend you go on a vacation if there's an issue like that and y'all have filed for divorce. I mean, it's obviously a hostile situation.
Right.
So is there a way that you can go without him, or? I mean, the best thing, what we're going to do is tell y'all that y'all need to separate. I mean, has he put his hands on you that, have y'all been physically aggressive today? I mean.
No, just aside from moving me out of the way of my car to get to it.
Okay, what do you mean he moved you out of the way?
Like pushed me out of the way so he could get to my car and start unloading it.
Okay. We're going to need to talk to him then. Well, until he comes out here and decides to show out. So I don't know what's going to happen with that.
You familiar with him?
Nope.
Somebody ever heard of somebody was almost out sleeping in our house the other week.
This house? Before they realized it?
Yeah.
What in the hell? Why are you filed for divorce and going to go on vacation together? I mean, that's not something that we can work out for you. I mean, because we're going to tell you to separate. Okay, so what's going on this morning?
So for the last 3 weeks, maybe longer, she's had her couples trip planned with her boyfriend to go to Key West.
Okay, but she just said you're going.
So that was to Key West. I'm taking my kids, my 3 boys, to the Bahamas this morning.
Our kids.
Our kids. Yesterday, she sent a message saying that she's going to change her plans and now get on the airplane with me and the kids to go to Bahamas.
But I own too,
And
by
when
the
we
way.
land, she's going to go to her boyfriend.
Elsewhere.
And me and the kids are going to our house. And I told her I'm not supporting that. And you're not getting on the airplane. That can mess with the kids' heads. And it's just something we're not going to do. Well, I'm on 50% of the airplane. She, on paper, owns 25 of that. And majority owner, the other 50% owner, and myself are both in agreement to not have her on the airplane. So 75% says we don't want you on the plane.
That doesn't mean you get aggressive, push me out of the way, start unloading my car.
Push you out of the way.
Yes, at the back of the car.
Okay. Lindsay, I did not push you or anything.
He doesn't want me to go.
I raised the back to grab my kids' suitcases. so
With
we
a
could
locked
leave.
car.
So we could leave. That's all it is.
Okay. I'm going to tell you both, like I told you a minute ago, y'all are filed for divorce, okay? In situations like this, the best thing that we always recommend is y'all separate. Don't just separate from each other. You don't need to be going on vacation together if you file for divorce and it's obviously a volatile situation.
Right.
That, I mean, I don't know how else to put it other than that, okay? As far as the pushing and shoving, say Georgia advises that you put your hands on each other, that is an act of simple assault, and you can be arrested on that for family violence, okay? You're saying you did, he's saying you didn't, so I can't sit here, it's a he said, she said situation, we run into it all the time. So what's gonna,
All the people that I know, if I'm an aggressive or abusive person,
You want me to show them the photos?
okay, so here's what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna generate a report that we were out here, and that we made contact with the both of you. I'm gonna generate a report that states, you said he physically moved you away from the
Yes.
vehicle by pushing you away from the vehicle. You say, I didn't do that. I opened the back hatch of the vehicle, got suitcases out.
suitcase, and she stepped in front saying you're not grabbing them, moving me out of the way.
Exactly, and
Move me, Robert.
we're not gonna go back and forth. That's how we're gonna do that. My next, I mean, I can't tell her she can't go on vacation with you, okay? It's marital property,
Pilot already said.
okay, it's all gonna be, that's all gonna be civil issues. I can't stop her, I can't say you can't go wherever the heck it is you wanna go. I can't tell you, you can tell, that has nothing to do with what we're doing here. We're here because of acts of violence, to calm the situation, that's what we're here to do, okay? I can't control y'all going on vacation. Don't recommend going on vacation together, but that's just my personal,
It's just an hour on an airplane, just
okay.
with our kids.
Do you have any identification on you? Okay, can I get that, please? Do you have your ID on you? Mr. Shiver, what's your phone number? 221, what was it, 75?
7579. Now, since I own this vehicle and it's solely in my name,
It's marital property right now, she still has access to it.
okay, I understand she has access to it, but can I not get my kids' suitcases out of the back?
You can get your children's property out of it.
So he can get the kids' stuff out of my car.
It's marital property. And I don't have any paperwork saying that he's not allowed access to the children's property.
He's just not able to move me out of the way to get it. Right.
He said, she said.
I'm still going, Robert, so you can take.
Pilot already said, Lindsay, that it's too late to put you on. And he has to pick up the other owner after he drops us, so we can't be late.
334-714-2963.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you.
About what time this morning did all this start?
7 a.m.
So you're supposed to be going to the,
She was supposed to be going to Key West and canceled.
Well aware, I texted the pilot. Everybody knew it.
okay.
He's just being extremely difficult. Which, that's nothing freaking new.
Okay, so are you leaving now?
I have to go get my kids.
Okay, all right,
There's two that are in other places.
okay, all right. Like I said, my only recommendation for you is that y'all just
It
separate.
was always just gonna be a he said, she said.
I mean, you get video footage, you have surveillance cameras, you have something that I can look at and say, yes, he put his hands on you. I mean, you know, we have an independent witness that's non-biased. I mean, you know, something, other statements, but right now I have you and him, and, you know, he's saying one thing, you're saying another, you know. I mean, if it's this type of situation, y'all just need to separate. I mean, just don't be around each other. If it's gonna be like this,
So how do we do that with 3 kids?
All right, what do you got to do, cops?
So now I'm able to get my kids' stuff back out of the vehicle.
okay, why are we doing this though? Why do you need to do that?
Well, because he's taken my kids.
So we're gonna go back and, so we're gonna stand here while y'all go back and forth moving suitcases back and forth
That's what
between
I'm saying,
cars.
So that's what's just happened.
If that's what you feel like you need to do, then I mean, then by all means do it. But you understand it, it's making the situation worse. And you're doing it in front of the children now. I don't,
Our plans have been the same for weeks. I now have to go pick up our other Landon just called me and said he couldn't get it.
Okay. Well, I'll go get Grayson.
I can pick him up.
I just said I'm going to get Grayson,
You heard me say the pilot said it's too late to
and
add
I'm
him.
going to get Grayson.
And where is he going? Because I need to get him so I can go do it.
We're just not.
I'm trying to take all 3 boys, which is what I've had planned. I'm asking where you take them. Because I need to pick them up. And I can just leave straight from there.
Hey, I'll
Where's
bring him
Temple?
to you, Robert.
Where is he right now?
Okay.
Is he at Chapin's house?
No.
Whose house is he at?
Cookies' house.
I can pick him up on the way out. I'll go get Landon and pick him up.
So you're free to go.
I'm doing what I have planned to do.
Well, at least there's a record of it.
It's fine. I'm okay with it.
Okay, wait right here. I gotta get you both the case number, okay? Five, seven, come. Case number and times first out. Simple. Yes. The mugginess. This is your case number 2023-27264. There's information in here if you need anything else, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'll document. I mean, I gotta document both sides. It is what it is. I'm gonna generate a miscellaneous family violence report. This is your case number 2023-27264. If you have any questions, you can call to the Justice Center and speak to an officer. So.
You know, Chris is a
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Y'all have a better day. Money.